Hello students. Now that we are going to online learning for a couple of weeks, I know that you need to still do some reading for your classes. The library is open today, but it's kind of crazy in there because everyone's getting Chromebooks. So I just wanted to review for you how to get an online reading book. It's super easy and everybody can do this. So, as with everything wonderful, you start with the Ridgeline homepage as you can see here on the screen. As with everything wonderful, you start right here on the library link. Once you click on that, it opens up several options. This option over here on the right, Mrs. Odd's Best Book Picks, might give you some ideas of some good things to read. I was hoping to do some school delivery during quarantine, during our online learning, but unfortunately I won't be able to be doing that for the next couple of weeks. So we are stuck with, or lucky us, we get to go to use Sora. And this used to be called Overdrive. So when you click on Overdrive or Sora, it will take you to the Login Lab page. First thing you need to do is find your school. And it comes up with lots of Cache County. Oh, look, there's the elementary, there's the high school. Down here at the bottom, say my school isn't listed. Tell it that you would like to find Ridgeline. And there it is. This is my school. This is only important because we do buy certain books. And of course, your login for Ridgeline School is the same. So, sign to Cache County School District. Your username and password is exactly what you normally do for your username and password. Once you've put in your normal username and password, you're going to sign in and it will verify. This is connected to your library account, so everyone should be able to easily sign in. Now, lots of things you can do here, and it's a little hard to see. Everything is organized by subject, so I can just look for just suspenseful items or just fiction. Now, this looks like there's not very many fiction titles here, but I have it set for things that are just available now. Notice there are some audiobooks available, and you can continue to scan down, and it has different suggestions for you. If you know there's a book that you really, really want to read, you can also, up here at the top, search for the book. So you can search right here, and I have set, as you can see right here, right now I'm looking for only audiobooks. I want to search for any books, and you can also say that I only want to look for just available books, because sometimes that is a little bit harder. So let's say I want to look for, I don't know, Maze Runner. Let's see what's going on. Whoops, learn how to spell. I'm going to search Maze Runner, and it looks like there's several options here. First of all, this is our library. It looks like only audio is available, which is great. Reading on an audiobook through your headphones is still reading. So this says that the Scorched Trials is available. This says that the Maze Runner is not. It seems weird that it wouldn't be available, but just like a library, if it's checked out, you can't check it out till it's returned. So you can place a hold on it. As soon as you do that, it will send you an email when it arrives. Now this is telling me it's about 2 weeks. That's too long. So I really, really, really want a book. I'm still going to look down here. Now I have connected other libraries to my account, and you can do the same, but everybody has available for the Beehive Library Consortium as well. So it looks like audio is my big favorite thing here. So I just want to show you how it works. If I want the Scorched Trials, I'm going to borrow it, and I can immediately start listening right here on the computer that I'm recording on. It's going to open it up for me, and I'm ready to go. It's a 10-hour book. I got lots of reading to do. I can also get the Sora app on my phone, and it looks like, let me see if I can find what it looks like. It looks like that little funny blue thing that was right here. So search for the app that looks like Sora, and you log in exactly the same. And now that I have this audiobook checked out, when I open it up on my phone and I open up that Sora app, it will be there on my phone as well. So there's a lot of things I can do here. I can look up things, I can highlight, I can mark things. I am not going to do that. I'm going to go back to the home way at the bottom. And why is that not my home? Here's my bookshelf. I've got one audiobook out. Don't worry about returning that. It automatically returns. You can't get overdues. You can't get fines in the Sora app. It will just disappear off of your account when it's time. If you need to explore, it's the little binoculars, and I'm going to look for more types of books. You can look for author's name. I'm going to look for Sarah Eden and see if there's anything. Oh, look, oh, I don't know why that's coming up as Eden. That was probably a bad choice because Sarah Eden is kind of a local author, so she's not going to pop up. I still have all these audio. Look at all the preferences that I can set. Oh, I've still got on audiobooks. That's my problem. So now I'm going to, oh look, there's Sarah Eden. So it's not available. East of Eden is available. Oh, goody. When I borrow a book, I just did this dividing Eden. The book opens up just like that audio does. It looks like, let me turn the pages. I'll show you how that works. Maybe. It's probably having a hard time because it had to do, oh, there it is. How to do my audiobook too. It will remember your place that you're at in the book, and I will read until, and then you can also jump ahead and say, oh, I've been reading my hardback copy, and now I know I'm already on chapter 10. Or you can just keep turning, and there's the book for you. So I realize that some of you need books. You're going to need lots of books, and it's going to be hard to get books. I really hope that you will access Sora through the library homepage. If you have any questions, please, please, please contact me through, I don't have a link here. I'll put a link to my email right here. I'm going to add that in just a second. And then if you have any questions, or if you want to look for suggestions that I have, I'll be glad to help you out with that as well. Good luck.